I just realized that Victoria wasn't hanging out with us, so I've lured her out of her hiding spot, and I noticed how cold she was. So now we're snuggling under the blanket. 'Cause here soon I won't be available 24/7 to be snuggling with y'all. Vita, once again, not helping. Thank you. Okay, she's gonna bother Goldie instead. Right here. Oh, she's all settled in now. She was so mad, but now she's settled in. She's like, oh, I see what the hype is now. Okay, I won't tell them. I won't tell nobody. It'll be our little secret. It'll be our little secret. Shh. You ain't gotta worry about nothing. Why are you so mad? You were so cold and alone. It's giving, it's not a phase, Mom. Vibes. Still love you. This is gonna be like some found footage type shit. Literally recording my final moments right now as we speak. Victoria, I'm not even holding you anymore. You could literally go if you want. I'm like, look, I'm not even holding you. She's like, I'm warm and I'm angry, but I'm not leaving. Okay, I'll stop making fun of you. I'll stop making fun of you. I'm sorry. You're just so floofy. You're the floof. How can you be? This is so not. Do you not realize how hard this is for me? You're literally the fluffiest cat out of all of them. And you hate being loved on. Make it make sense. Why would God put me through such a situation? Maybe it's just my talking that pisses her off. Oh, yep. Hold on, I'm gonna run a little science experiment now. I'm gonna stop talking and see what happens. Okay, so it's not me talking. What is pissing you off then? What would you rather be doing right now? I don't know if y'all understood that, but that was basically cat speak for plotting various war crimes. I'm not even holding you anymore. What? I'm sorry. Like, why are you mad? I'm not even holding you. You could have left. Like, forever ago.